Single, my whole life. Every year Valentine's Day arrives and I'm just here watching happy couples while third wheeling my own emotions. But this year I need to do something. As you know, I'm just another nerd who barely interacts with humans, builds some bots in free time and plays games all day. So that's what I do all days and that's a really big problem. Let's analyze the situation scientifically. This is my confidence while building bots and doing other stuff. Sky high. And this is my confidence while talking to girls. Zero. But I'm an engineer and we don't solve problems, we build solutions. Let's build solution. Meet Wingman, the world's first AI powered bot. He does the job so I don't have to.
This is Elon Musk.
What Wingman does, whenever I press this button, it detects the button press and plays a pickup line, and then it offers a rose. Basically, my replacement in this world.
Listen, my dude is an engineer, and even he can't calculate how stunning you are. I usually detect motion, but I just detected chemistry between you two. I am Wigman, and my friend Suyash is not great at math, but he's sure you plus him equals something special. I am Wigman, and my friend Suyash is not great at math, but he's sure you plus him equals something special. I am Wigman, and my friend Suyash is not great at math, but he's sure you plus him equals something special. Hey, beautiful, do you have a map? Because my friend Suyash keep getting lost in your eyes. I usually detect motion, but I just detected chemistry between you two. Sure, you plus him equals something special. Listen, my dude is an engineer, and even he can't calculate how stunning you are.
So, did Wingman help me find love? No. But did he make people laugh and prove that robots can be better wingman than humans? Absolutely, bro. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more updates.